know we were locked in.
He knew all right. He didn't even care. I'm so tired of this Christmas stuff. I wish it never happened.
No, John, I know you don't mean that. You're just frustrated about being locked in.
It's just so aggravating. So many malls, so many sad little helpers, school programs, church services, Catholic services. Like, did you see the...
Don't worry. Santa will come and Christmas will be good.
Everything will be all right.
Everything will be all right.
Steve. I'm hungry.
Mom and Dad, I'm hungry.
Yeah, pizza dude's way late.
Let's try to think of something else for the time being. We'll be out of here soon.
Really, look, at least Christmas is us. It's candy. But no, the writer had a trapped in the dinky toy store. Don't be so hard on him. Who'd believe that we'd be trapped in the big toy store anyways, huh?
But think about the toys. It's mind-boggling.
My, what a lovely nativity. It reminds me of the one that my parents used to put in our front yard.
Yes, it was so lifelike. Give me. Can you go see what the kids are angry about?
Sure, I'll be right back.
Rough night. You said something? This is insane.
There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. We're only in your imagination.
There's nothing to worry about. We're only in our imagination.
This must be that ghost of Christmas past syndrome.
No.
No, actually, it's more than that.
You did talk. Oh boy.
Don't make it such a big deal.
After all, we're the reason you're here tonight. After all, we're the reason you're here tonight.
After all, we're the reason you're here tonight.
What do you mean?
Christmas, John.
Christmas, John. It's Christmas. I haven't even forgot our story.
You must remember what your father taught you.
You must remember what your father taught you.
Locked out of the inn,
What does the end?
babe in a manger, shepherds.
Oh,
Of course.
of course I remember. What?
Oh, that's what you hope you remember.
That doesn't help me now.
But that doesn't help me now.
You'd better think about it again.
You better think about it again. Why do you have such a hard time at Christmas?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired. Tired of shopping, tired of spending money, fighting the crowd, wondering which in-laws for Christmas with, wondering if I bought the right gift. And we're going to spend Christmas Eve alone before this happens. So just leave me alone.
But John,
John,
Christmas is not about shopping,
shopping. Christmas is not about shopping,
spending money,
spending money,
buying the right present,
finding the right person,
or other have-tos.
or other have-tos.
It's about giving
Giving,
and sharing.
sharing.
Christmas.
What?
Christmas is about sharing.
Christmas is about sharing and the greatest gift of love ever given, God's Son.
Yes. Christmas does not begin when the presents are open.
Christmas is not the game when the presents are open.
It doesn't end when you throw away the tree.
It doesn't end when you throw away the tree.
It began when the angels said,
Save me.
"Don't be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God."
You have found favor